Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious beef kababs. To start, you'll need about 1.5 pounds of beef, like sirloin or tenderloin, cut into 1-inch cubes. For the vegetables, prepare 2 bell peppers, 1 red and 1 green, also cut into 1-inch pieces. Don't forget 1 large red onion, sliced into thick wedges, and 8 to 10 cherry tomatoes. These fresh ingredients are the foundation for a fantastic meal. Now, let's create a flavorful marinade for your beef. In a bowl, combine 1/4 cup of olive oil with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Next, add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce and 2 cloves of freshly minced garlic. Finish with 1 teaspoon of dried oregano and a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Whisk it all together, then add your beef cubes. Let them marinate for at least 30 minutes or for up to 4 hours in the refrigerator to maximize flavor. Once your beef is marinated, it's time to assemble the kababs. Carefully thread the beef cubes onto your skewers, alternating with the colorful bell pepper, onion wedges, and cherry tomatoes. Try to distribute the ingredients evenly on each skewer for consistent cooking. Remember to leave a small space, about 1/8 of an inch, between each piece to allow for proper heat circulation. If using wooden skewers, soak them in water for at least 30 minutes beforehand to prevent burning. Finally, it's time to grill your delicious kababs. Preheat your grill to a medium-high heat, aiming for around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the skewers on the hot grill and cook for 8 to 10 minutes, turning them occasionally to ensure even cooking. For a perfect medium rare, the beef should reach an internal temperature of 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Serve these fantastic kababs immediately with your favorite side dishes, such as fluffy rice or a crisp, fresh salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.